Are you helping Daddy fix the sink?
Yeah.
Yeah? Good helpers.
There we go. So we're very patient. It took like 5 tries.
So how many Chavezes does it take to fix
Looks like 4 or 3
fix a
and
faucet? Looks like Zachary's doing all the work.
2 3/4.
Hey. Zachary.
And then you just screw it right up into the...
Yeah. Did you give Daddy the screwdriver, Mateo? Where's the screwdriver?
There.
The one I gave you.
Where's the screwdriver?
Mateo.
Of all the screwdrivers you guys had,
There it is.
what color is it? The red one?
That one there, yeah. Here.
I like Zachary's help.
Yeah, thanks, Zach. Thanks for helping.
He's like climbs up in on me.
I want to
You're welcome.
go. Yeah.
And that was helping.
Very good, Papa.
Yeah, you're good. Tom.
Are you helping Grandpa?
You gonna be a plumber?
No.
Put it away. Put it in a toolbox. You're not supposed to be playing with tools. Mateo, you don't have any
Yeah,
tools.
check it. See if it's
Ow.
stable.
Yeah, it should be fine.
Okay.
Okay, I just got to turn on the water.
Famous last words. It should be fine. Let's turn on the water machine.
Zachary's like all the way up to my face. I'm like looking around.
You don't have to get underneath here right now.
Yeah, but they love to help.
Yes, they're super good helpers. Oh, that was smart. I turned the camera. It's going to be a really good movie.